What's up guys, today I'm going to talk about my favorite multi-purpose interior cleaner for your truck or car. This company is based in Los Angeles, California. They make a wide variety of cleaning products. The company is Chemical Guys, and today we're going to be looking at their multi-purpose interior cleaner. And as always, I want to mention that this video is not sponsored in any way. These are my own opinions and beliefs from trying and testing the products myself. Now, if you're like me, you've had a hard time finding a good interior cleaner that isn't oily and doesn't leave a sticky residue and isn't messy and grimy. I've tried different Armor All products, and although they make the interior look really nice when you first do it, I find that it often leaves a really sticky, oily, greasy residue that I hate touching. It makes a mess, it gets all over my hands, and then I'm spreading it everywhere. Everything that I set in the truck now has that sticky residue on it. And after about a week, you start collecting lint and dust on it, and it just looks like crap, and you're trying to find a way to wipe it off. So when I found Chemical Guys interior cleaner, I was all about it. Now the great thing about this product is that you can use it on multiple surfaces. You can pretty much use it anywhere you want on the interior of the truck. You can use it on the plastics, you can use it on the buttons and the switches, you can use it on like the vinyl leather of the steering wheel, even the center console, shift knob, even your display screen and your glass. So everything, you can clean it all with this one product, which is quite amazing. Okay, so the first thing that you're gonna wanna do is clean all of the clutter, any crumbs, any french fries, chips, papers, whatever, just clean it all out, get that stuff out of the way, and then you're gonna wanna use this spray, this product, the interior cleaner, with a microfiber cloth. That's just gonna help collect all the dust and the little particles and the lint so that you clean everything really well and it looks really good after you're done. I've definitely cleaned using a regular rag before, and although it cleaned the dash, I wasn't super satisfied because it had lint and debris left afterwards, so microfiber cloth makes a big difference. Now for the most part, you are gonna want to spray the cleaner directly onto the cloth. That way you just kind of control where you're spraying all the liquids. It's not going to harm anything if there's a little bit of overspray, but there are some places where you probably don't want to overspray, and it's just better just to control that spray. So I would recommend spraying it directly on the cloth. But for larger areas that you want to clean, like the dash, you can go ahead and spray directly onto that and not really worry about where the spray is getting, because you're just going to cover that entire area anyways. But when you are cleaning places like your touchscreen display and maybe your steering wheel controls and knobs like that, and you don't want the spray to get into those little cracks and into the electronics, in those situations you're probably going to want to spray onto the microfiber cloth and then wipe it down. Now the cool thing about this spray is that you just spray it on and you can start wiping and cleaning right away. You don't need to let it set, and you don't need to wash it off or wipe it off with a normal rag or anything. It just, you wipe it until it's dry and then it's done and it's good to go, and it looks good. It brings back the colors, making them look more vibrant, and it brings back that shine, and if it's a black interior you get that deep color back. So I really love it. I've tried this product, I've been using it for about a month now, loved it, so I wanted to share it with you guys because I'm sure I'm not the only one looking for a good interior cleaner. The other thing that's pretty cool is it's got like a nice smell to it. I can't really describe, but it just kind of is a pleasant smell. It just smells clean and fresh, and it smells good. So that's gonna sit in your truck for a week or so while your truck is clean, and you can enjoy that nice fresh smell, that clean smell, and not only will your truck look good, but it's gonna smell good. And if you're going on a hot date, it doesn't hurt to have a nice smelling truck. And you can also use this cleaner on your windshield and the windows. You don't have to go get Windex or anything like that. You can just use this spray to clean both the inside and the outside. This cleaner I found on Amazon, and it was only 10 bucks, so I thought it was worth a try. And I'm glad I did, because it's my favorite interior cleaner that I've come across so far. So if you guys are interested in trying this cleaner for yourself, I'll put a link in the description so you guys can check it out for yourselves. Chemical Guys multi-purpose interior cleaner. I really liked it, and I think you guys will too. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.